What's up, guys? Thank you guys for tuning into the show today. Today we're going to be going over the stock Palantir. It's stock ticker PLTR. We're going to be going over why I think it's a really good buy for January 2021 and other thoughts I have on this stock and what to be aware of. So without any further ado, be sure to smash the like button and let's get started. So Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. This is a public American software company that specializes in big data analytics for big government agencies such as the FBI and the CIA. They have multiple products and platforms that help other companies manage and secure their data. This is a super hyped stock from the last month, but for a really good reason. Right now, Palantir is trading at roughly $23.55 with a 52-week low of $8.90 and a 52-week high of $33.50. If you take a look at their one-year chart, you can see that around the end of September 2020, they've became a publicly traded company. And since then, they've had a huge increase in their price, from starting at around $10 all the way to $27 now. Right now, they have a market cap of around $52 billion. And since this is a relatively new company, we don't actually have any data about their PE ratio, nor their earnings per share. They also don't have a dividend. Looking at its valuation, we can see that it has a forward PE of about 238.1 and a price per book ratio of about 41.63. They are still not yet profitable, and we can see that the profit margin is at around negative 117.75%. In the last 12 months, we see that the revenue is at about almost $1 billion, with quarterly revenue growth at about 51.9%. Looking at their balance sheet, we see that they have a total cash of about $1.8 billion with a solid current ratio of about 2.54, meaning that they have 2.54 times the current assets at the current liability. I know it's crazy and all, but Palantir stock first started trading at around $10 per share near September 30th, 2020, and since then it has grown a lot in a very short time. And although it's a relatively new company because it started like only a few months ago, there are some things I really like about this company that make it a worthwhile investment. Its two primary analytic systems are Gotham, a platform for intelligence and defense clients, and Foundry, a platform for commercial clients. Palantir is a big player in the big data industry, which is fast growing and will likely see big changes moving on from 2021 and beyond. In fact, researchers have said that this market will actually have an annual growth rate of just about 10% up until about 2025 and beyond. This is really because of the changes in the economy and all that jazz. Palantir's 2020 revenue was up about 44% to around $1 billion. And if they can keep on getting high-profile clients like they have been getting over the past few months, then we can definitely see some big growth. Recently, Palantir had just signed a contract with the UK's NHS worth over $31 million. And in the last month alone, they have actually gained over $50 million worth of new government contracts. One thing I am cautioned about for this stock, though, is that it's trading about 50 times its sales, which means that a lot of speculation about the future growth of the company itself is already built into the price of the stock. In the future, we should see some big swings for this stock, but the fact is that it's a big player for an evolving market. And this really gives me high hopes for the company itself and the price per share so we can make some moolah. But yeah, guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. Please let me know in the comments down below if you want me to continue this series of something called the Wildcard Shorts. If you guys like my content, please subscribe for more of these episodes. I will be making more of these in the future. Leave a like, and until next time, guys. Peace.
You've got to start at the bottom if you're ever gonna